Hi everyone, Miss Tui here. In today's lesson, we are going to work with change. No, not the type where something is different from before, but the type that jingles in your pocket. That's right, we're working with money today. For today's lesson, you will need an Ozobot fully charged and calibrated, color code markers, a pencil, and your Money Mountains sheets. Make sure to have all 4 pages. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify and record the value of coins, add coins together, and list the values from greatest to least. As a quick reminder, quarters are worth 25 cents. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents. And those copper pennies are worth 1 cent. To begin today, we will be using our Ozobot to choose a type of coin and a number. Remember that when Ozobot comes to an intersection, it randomly chooses which way to go, so we don't know what we're going to get. Also, our coin chooser contains line switch codes. Can you spot the line switch codes and figure out what they do? First, we'll place the Ozobot on start on the coin chooser, and it will randomly turn down one of the coin rows. My Ozobot chose penny. The Ozobot will jump across the empty space. Yes, there's that line switch code. And head over to a number chooser. My Ozobot chose the number 8. On my addition sheet, I will write the number 8 next to pennies. I'll repeat this process 2 more times for number 1 on my addition sheet. Can you put your Ozobot on start and choose a coin and a number 3 times to fill in number 1? So now you should have numbers next to some of the coins for number 1 on your addition sheet. My Ozobot chose 0 quarters, 4 dimes, 6 nickels, and 8 pennies. Next, we'll figure out how many cents each of those are worth. A quarter is worth 25 cents, and I have 0 of them, so I will write 0 cents on the line. Next, I have 4 dimes. Each dime is worth 10 cents, so I'll count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 dimes is worth 40 cents. I'll write that on the line labeled dimes. Next, I have 6 nickels, and I will count those by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I have 30 cents worth of nickels, and I will write that on the line above nickels. Last, I have pennies. The value of each penny is 1 cent, so if I have 8 of them, I have 8 cents. I'll write that on the line labeled pennies. Now I'll add all of those together. 0 cents plus 40 cents plus 30 cents plus 8 cents equals 78 cents total. Can you fill in number 1 with the number of cents each number of coins is worth? Then add them and write the total on the line. Now you know how to fill in the top part of the addition sheet. For each number 1 through 8, have your bot choose 3 coins and 3 numbers, then write in the value and add the values to get a total. If your Ozobot happens to choose the same coin twice, just add the numbers together. When you repeat this 3 times, there are coins that will not be chosen, so put an X on the line next to these coins. Can you complete problems 1 through 8 on your addition sheet? Wow, that was fun watching my Ozobot and trying to predict which way it would turn. Next, you're going to put your totals in from greatest to least, or in other words, biggest to smallest. Look through your totals and find the biggest one. That will go next to A at the bottom of your addition sheet. Find the next largest and write that next to B at the bottom of the page. Keep going until you get to the smallest one and you'll write that next to H. Can you put your totals in order from greatest to least? Your totals are now sorted from biggest to smallest, and now it's time for some color codes. You'll notice some boxes at the bottom of the addition sheet next to the spaces where you sorted your totals. Using the color code key, fill in some color codes to add to your Money Mountains map. Can you fill in a color code for all 8 of your totals? Now you'll need your Money Mountains map. Notice there are lines for your totals and spaces for your color codes. I chose turbo after the letter A, so I'll write my total on the line, which is 78 cents, and fill in the color code for turbo. Can you fill in the totals and the color codes on your Money Mountains map? Make sure to fill in all of the blank spaces. There's only one thing left to do. Place your Ozobot on start and watch your hard work pay off on the mountains of money. I filled in my areas with black marker to not give away the answers, but you will have color codes for all of the blank spaces. Nice work on following all of those instructions. Let's double check that your work is complete. Did you write the number of coins your Ozobot chose? Did you write the value of those coins? Did you add the total of the values of the coins? Did you write the total values in order from greatest to least? And did you add color codes to your Money Mountains map? Come back again soon for our next lesson.